Hello friends, in the last tutorial we have successfully populated the results in the browser. So now in this tutorial I will be adding the functionality to remove the names. So for that you need to surround this expression in the p tag. So just add a paragraph tag here. So this adds some spacing. So if I just save this and show to you, save this. So you will see that some spacing will be added. You can see here. After this we will be adding a button to remove the name, a particular name. So let me give it a label of remove and bind a click listener. So remove name will be invoked. So this takes the key also. So this will be person name, similar in single quotes dot key. So every name is surrounded by a particular key. So from that key we will be removing the name. So go back to the method section in the script tag. So just below the add name method, put a comma here and write your function remove name. So this takes the key and we will be using the names ref, the reference to our database. You will be using the child method which takes the key, and there is a remove method which will actually remove the actual element for us. So let me save this and you will see a button attached to a particular name. You can see here this is. So if I just press remove here, you will see that as I press remove here all the entries is gone. So if I just remove all the elements and go back to the database, see, you can see here no entry is available because I have removed all the entries out there. So if I add one entry by pressing add button, you can see here entry has been added. If I remove this, you can see here instantly the entry is gone. So in this video we have successfully integrated the functionality of removing elements, of removing names. So in the next tutorial we will be attaching the functionality to edit the names and update it. So I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.